Kiki, and today we are doing another Amazon unboxing. Yes, I said another Amazon unboxing. So this time my mom actually surprised me and got me this wooden money savings challenge box. And I think this is really cool because it's kind of like a game. You set your goal for how much you want to save, and it comes with the stuff to scratch off each amount that you put in the box. So it says it comes with tweezers. It comes with 3 card stickers. So I think this is the different amounts you can save. The tweezers to, I don't know what the tweezers for actually. A pen and a pack of rubber bands so you can band your money together. So we're gonna unbox this and see what is up. You could save 3,000, 5,000, or 10,000. So there's different challenges depending on what your goal is, different grids that you could, cross off the numbers as you put the money in. All right, and the brand is Gomi Rod. A special gift just for you. Happy savings. All right, and please bear with me. I did come from the gym. I just wanted to get this unboxing out the way for you guys because I tend to procrastinate and I don't want to do that anymore. So let's go ahead and get this all opened. I'm not sure if I showed you guys the back of the box yet. So that is the back of the box. So what does it say? It says select a savings goal and paste it on the front of the box. Roll up the bills and tie them with colored rubber bands. Each time you deposit cash, mark the corresponding number. Bingo, if all the numbers are marked, the savings goal has been reached. Remove the rubber band plug on the back of the box. Use the tweezers to take the money out the cash box. Okay, so the tweezers is to pull the money out. So basically you don't see the money you're putting in, you just know the numbers that you've crossed off. So that is pretty cool. So let's get this opened up. Okay, ooh, it's pink. Oh, that's right, it does come with the different color options. I guess you could do pink, white, or this brownish looking color. Okay. It's a little wood box. It has a hole on the back. It has a little hole on the top so you band up your money, throw it in. I guess you could probably do coins too. And then it comes with these nice little colorful rubber bands, the plug for the back. We have the erasable liquid chalk marker with a little eraser on the end. Here's our tweezers. And then we have the scratch off card things. Well, do you scratch it off? I guess you do. So this one is 3,000, 5,000, and the big one, 10,000. So this is pretty cool. Let me move the trash out of the way. So I don't know which one I'm gonna start with first. I kind of want to start with the 10,000, start big. And it does come on an adhesive, which is pretty cool. So, just peel and stick. Should I do the 10,000 to start? I don't know. I might have to decide. Maybe you guys should decide for me and put it in the comments what you think I should start with. So I'm not going to stick these on just yet because I don't know where I'm starting. But I will put the rubber plug onto the back. So that way I don't lose it. This is a little hard to put in. I like that it did come with tweezers, so they're pretty mindful in terms of, making sure people are able to get their money out so that we don't have to break the box to get in. All right, and this is pretty cool. I might even add some stuff to the sides and the back. I might write on it with I have some metallic Sharpies. I might write vacation and just little blurbs, shopping, to really personalize it more. I also have paint, so maybe I'll even paint a couple things on it. And yeah, this comes with a nice little rubber bands. We got the tweezers and the liquid chalk marker. I'm a little curious. Let's write on the box. Oh, it's just black. Okay. Cool. So if it comes with your eraser, so this is not really a scratch off. So my mistake. It looks like you just, write on it and then you can erase it. So when you want to start over your money savings challenge, you could just, you know, erase and keep it pushing and do it all over again. So I really like that. This is something that I definitely want to implement. My goal for the new year, still being a new business owner, is being able to save my money. I'm not really much of a spender or splurger like that. I pretty much reinvest into my business, but I do want to start, you know, building back up my savings account and stuff like that. So this is something that would be really useful to kind of keep, you know, keep track of those savings and, you know, put away extra money when I can. So yeah, I really like this. I can't wait to get started. If I could estimate, I don't know how long it would really take me to reach these goals, but I'm excited to see how long it really takes. I know 10,000, that's a big chart here. So that one will probably take a little longer. So maybe I'll shoot for the middle one, but I'm still deciding. So you guys definitely let me know which one you guys think I should start with first. Should I do the 5,000, 10,000, or the 3,000? But yeah, that is it for today's unboxing. Once again, this is the Gommirod Wooden Money Savings Challenge box. I got it from Amazon, so I will put the link in the description down below. You know, this is perfect for anyone who has savings goals. It's a cool way to keep track of the money that you're able to put away. And it's kind of like a game. You get to cross things off as you accomplish the amount you want to put away. So definitely check it out. I will be doing this to help grow my savings. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more videos. Bye.